Hey guys, welcome back to my video. My face just got done with a face mask, so don't mind it being a little shiny. It's just overly moisturized right now. But I thought, since today is voting day, and voting is super important. If you have not voted, you may or may not still have time depending on when this video gets uploaded. But I thought I'd do a really chilled laid back video, and I'm gonna wash all my brushes. So either you can grab your brushes and wash them along with me. Otherwise, I'm gonna put some chill music on. We're gonna do kind of like a montage and we'll get started. We do have quite a few brushes that need clean. So I have those here. So I have 2 towels, one to place my water bowl and scrubbing pad on, and then one for all of my clean brushes we put on. So I think this should be a good angle. I think that having the bowl here would be really nice, just because I think it's satisfying to see the water change and how gross it is. But I'm gonna add a hint of dish soap, because I like using dish soap because it gets all of the like oils and stuff out and makes my brushes super clean and doesn't make them like fray or anything. And then I have a tiny bowl, which will be our rinse bowl, that I will constantly kind of refill. So without further ado, I think I have everything set up and I think I'm ready to go. to dry because I did use it quite a bit more than I thought I would. And then these are all of my brushes. They look so much cleaner. The white ones were like brown and like green and blue and stuff, and then my pink ones are all nice and clean now. So everything looks so much nicer. So I know this wasn't exactly the video that you thought it would be, but I hope you enjoyed it and hope you either were satisfied with how dirty the water got and I dumped the bowl like 3-4 times, or if you joined me and cleaned your brushes too, because I know I'm not trying to keep breaking out all winter long. I suggest you go clean your brushes as well, and we will get back to other type of content in the next video and keep on going. Till next time, guys.